Hello guys, my name is Muhammad Nabi Ali Mazli. My metric number is 10DTK20F 2004. This is my friend.
My name is Sufi Sajwan bin Razmi, 10DTK 20F 2014.
So today we want to talk about plastic pollution. Plastic pollution is the accumulation of plastic objects and particles in the Earth's environment that adversely affect wildlife habitat and humans. So Sufi, what do you think about plastic pollution?
For me, plastic pollution is all plastic take from 420 to 1,000 years to biodegrade. Many cannot be recycled at all, and none cannot be recycled more than few times.
Okay, now let's jump into the first point of value. The first point is plastic is cheap. Since plastic is an affordable and durable material, it can be found in everything from packaging materials to plastic bottles, straw to plastic bag, and much more. Until business start to utilize more environmental friendly alternative material such as paper, the cycle of producing and disposing of plastic will continue. How about you, speak?
My opinion, the world pollution is growing, and so is urbanization. Put simply, the more of us there are in the world, the greater the demand for cheap materials, and in turn, the more plastic we use to exist. To accelerate this, in the first decade of country, more plastic has been produced than ever due to rapid urbanization and in turn the demand.
That's a good point. So the next is plastic pollution costs 13 billion in economic damage to marine ecosystem per year. This includes losses to the fishing industry and tourism, as well as the cost to clean up fish. Plastic is popular because it is flexible, lightweight, and sustainable. So the next point is
plastic pollution can affect land, waterways, and ocean. This is estimated than 1.1 to 8.8 million tons of plastics waste enters the ocean from coastal communities each year. It is estimated then that there is a stock of 89 million tons of plastic marine debris in the worldwide ocean of the end of 2030, with an estimation that 1.4% of global plastic pollution from 1950 to 2030 have entered the ocean and has accumulated there.
So the next point is living organisms, particularly marine animals, can be harmed by mechanical effects such as entanglement in plastic objects, problems related to ingestion of plastic waste, or through exposure to chemical when within plastic that interfere with their physiology. Degrade plastic waste can directly affect human through both direct consumption. For example is tap water, and indirect consumption and disruption of various hormonal mechanism. The next point is
the last point is my opinion. Plastic doesn't biodegrade. Instead, in the disintegrate into microparticle that fish eat. When we eat fish, we eat the plastic as well. Scientists estimate there are more microplastic particles in the sea.
Okay, now let's move on into recommendation. So what do you think, Sufi?
For me, we do not buy water in plastic bottle. The quality of tap water is excellent. If you still want a better quality, you must install a filter or use a filter jug. How about you, Nabil?
For me, we must cook more at home. Not only is it healthier, but making your own meals doesn't involve take out containers. For those time when you do order in or eat out, tell the establishment you don't need any plastic cutlery. So the next point is
We must recycle plastic. Most beverage and liquid cleaner bottle will be bottle of milk, juice, and laundry detergent.
the next is bring your own garment bag. It can avoid plastic pollution.
So
The next is
be careful with paint. Paint is reduced also release microplastic into the environment.
The last point is do not launch balloon at a party. Balloons are by far the most dangerous plastic. A seabird can swallow. So the conclusion of the video is we must have to stop plastic pollution by recycling, using decomposable material instead of plastic or glass to decrease our accumulating waste. Marine animals are suffering due to our action, and if we do not put a heart to pollution soon, we will suffer the consequences. So that's all from we. So bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you.